there, Joel here, and welcome to this online class. I hope you have watched all the previous videos of the chapter Simple Equations. Today is the fourth video and I will try to conclude this entire chapter. If you haven't watched the previous videos, please go ahead and watch them. Okay? After learning so much about simple equations, we have come to a point where the equations will become a little bit more trickier. They're still simple equations, they're still simple, okay? Yet they look a little complicated, they look like that. So, and I'll try my best to make it as simple as possible. So stay with me. So, 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. Now, I need to solve this entire simple equation. Trust me, I told you, it doesn't look simple. It is simple, but it doesn't look that way. Okay? Now, I need to solve this entire equation and find the value of y. That's the whole idea. Okay? So, first of all, in case this is, it's the start that you are just trying to solve and you find it difficult, simple logic is put them in boxes. Okay, now how do I know where to put the box? These are my barriers which tell me that okay, this is one part, this is the other part. Okay, now I want to keep the letter on one side and all the numbers on the other side. Now, just because I said I want to keep letter on one side, it can't be like I'll keep y over here and tell this to, hey, tu mak nakre, most the not going to happen. Okay, so first of all, whatever is added, if you remember what I had written in the previous video over here, if you have forgotten, then I will write it down. Plus, minus, multiply, divide. Okay, and when they all move on the other side of equal to, this is what happens. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become division, and division will become multiplication. This is how they change. Okay. And same goes when it comes on this side also. So, first of all, let us send this plus 5 upon 2 on the other side. And this entire picture will look like 2y, I want to keep here, right, is equal to 37 upon 2 is also there. Okay. And this 5 upon 2 which is on the left hand side, I take it on the other side, it becomes minus 5 upon 2. A positive number goes on the other side of equal to, it becomes negative. Positive number goes other side of equal to becomes negative. I hope this is clear. Now, I'm left with 2y is equal to all this stuff. So, 2y is equal to, now since my denominators are same, I can write it once. So this will become 2. Okay. And 37 minus 5 will give me 32. Now my equation has become 2y is equal to 32 upon 2. In case you can cancel it, you can. Otherwise you'll cancel it after some time. Now, here, I want to keep only letter on one side, right? I don't want this number also. Now, this is 2y. If you remember my first video, we were talking about that fan which was rotating and I said 4 times. So, 4 was multiplied. So, here 2 is multiplied with the variable. I don't want multiply a number with any variable. So, let me send the number on the other side. So, something that is multiplied, when it goes on the other side of equal to, it will become divided. So, this will become y is equal to 32 upon 2. Okay. And this 2 which is in multiplied form on the left hand side, other side it will become division. So, this is what you will get. And let me write it down this side. So, y is equal to 32 upon 2 multiplied 2 will become 4. And finally I can cancel this. Remember the smaller number in your mind. and 4 ones are 4. Charitable is 4, 8 is 32. So y is equal to 8. So this entire simple equation, when you're solving, your value of y is 8. What is it trying to tell us? That this y is equal to 8 will satisfy this entire equation. That is all what we are actually trying to calculate. Okay? So I hope you are clear. Please copy this problem down, and after you have copied, try and solve it by yourself without looking at that problem. And if you can solve it, then that means you are good enough to understand this problem. Let us take another example. Okay, so 3L upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. I need to find out the value of L. Solve that equation, okay? All I will do is try to keep L on one side and rest all the terms on the other side. So this will become, I want 3L right now over here. So this will become 2 upon 3. This 2 which is divided, okay? When it goes on the other side of equal to, it gets multiplied. So 2 will be multiplied over here. So I will get 3L is equal to 4 upon 3. And I don't want this 3 over here. So I want to throw that 3 also on the other side. So something that is multiplied, when it goes on the other side of equal to, it gets divided. So L is equal to 4 upon 3. And this 3 which is multiplied goes into division, right? And since there is another number, it is multiplied to that number. I hope this is clear. It's not like 3 which is multiplied over here. When it goes on the other side, it is also multiplied. No, it's not multiplied. It is divided actually with the entire term. But since there is another number, they become friends. Okay? So, finally, this will become L is equal to 4 upon 3 is 9. So 4 upon 9. And I hope you are able to understand this. Please solve exercise 4.3. The first one, there are so many questions. Please practice them, attempt them, and try and clear your doubts. Let's go ahead. Okay, simple equations are trying to be a little bit more simple. Okay, so how do I solve this? First of all, there are brackets, there are letters, and this is the first time we are seeing a simple equation with some, brackets and all. Let's not worry. First thing is, let us try and imagine this, okay, that this is like an egg, okay, full egg, and I don't know what is inside it. You remember the Kinder Joy chocolate that you get, and then inside it there is a toy. Before even opening it, I don't know what is there. So I need to break open that entire the shell, the egg, to see what is there inside it, right? So same way, I need to break open this bracket to know what is inside it. So when I'm breaking this, there's something outside, right? I can't be just tempering on one. I have to hit that egg on all the sides to break it properly and open it up. So this way, this 2 will be multiplied with the first term, or how many terms, whatever number of terms are, I will have to multiply the outside number with all the terms. So 2 gets multiplied over here, and 2 gets multiplied with this also. How do I know which numbers to multiply? The plus sign tells me that there are 2 terms. Okay, so this will become 2 into x will become 2x, okay, and this will become 2 into 4 will become 8 is equal to 12. Okay, now there's also another method where I can directly take this 2 and throw it on the other side and divide it, but as of now don't get into it because you're just new to this. It might just complicate the entire situation. So currently don't bother. Okay, so break open. Now everything is open. I can see all the toys together. I can see different parts. Let me join them. So when I'm joining, I want all the letters on one side, all the numbers on the other side. So 2x will remain as it is equal to, never moves. So 12 will keep here. This 8 which is on the left hand side, which is positive, goes on the other side of equal to, it becomes negative. Okay, and this will become 2x equals to, this will be 4, and now this 2 is multiplied. I don't want it over here, I want to throw it on the other side. So multiplication on the other side becomes division. So x will be 4 upon 2. And I can cancel this off by saying 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x is equal to 2. I hope this is clear and you have understood this problem. You can solve a couple of problems more and practice it so that you can understand these simple equations the most best possible way. If you did understand and if you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends. Till then, I'm completing this chapter, simple equations, and take care and God bless you. Bye-bye.